This week, in the spirit of gaming, we have built a classic arcade game called the Memory Game, which uses LED lights and buttons for the users to interact with. We will start the game by pushing the start button right here, and it has started with indicating the first LED of level 1, and I will click the button respect to that LED, and since I was right, the green LED has told me that I won. Now in level 2, since I was right, I have been promoted to level 2, and this indicated with two LEDs being lit, so I will click on those, and since I was again right, the green LED indicated me with that. On the third level with 3 LEDs, I will intentionally make a mistake and we'll see what happens. As you can see, as I pressed the wrong button, the red LED indicated me I was wrong, and it will again begin with the level I mistook for the step. So I will again be putting in the inputs for the level 3. Since I made a mistake again, I will again start. Here. Since I was right this time, I will be promoted to the next level up to level 4. Since I was right, now I'll be going on to level 5. The game gets harder as you level up, and I'm pretty sure there are people who are better at remembering the sequence than me. So just to save you the time for observing me play throughout the levels, I'll just speed up through the process so you can see how random the lights are being lit up. I won't even try it, so I'm just declaring my loss here. So as you saw, this game is pretty fun and it's pretty portable as well. You just it can be used as a product. All you need is a charging cable to give the board power through this, and it works